Right, we've just arrived in Tesco. We're going to head in, grab some bits for this evening. Let's go. Hello team. Let's go find a McDonald's. We've made it in one piece. Let's get in the back and cook some dinner. This is so dumb. This is so stupid. Okay, we have made it. This is so stupid. Let's get in the back and cook some din-dins. Okay, I'll be honest, this is silly. I'm just in the middle of the car park. There you go. Here we are. Lovely Tunbridge McDonald's. Let's cook a burger. Let's make a Big Mac. This is so dumb. I thought I was a bit ambitious getting in here. I think he's having a laugh. I believe this is everything that we're going to need in order to make the mega Big Mac. A few things I bought from home because there's no point buying such a small amount of them. But yeah, let's make this into a Big Mac. I realised these burgers are going to be like really thick. So it's going to be like a mega Big Mac. Is that like okay for a human to eat in one go? Probably not, but we're going to do it anyway. Right, let's get prepped. And by that I mean, let's just cut up an onion, or like 3 slices of onion. Everything else is already ready, I think. How do McDonald's do it? They go kind of like, they just do little slices, don't they? Who knows? That will probably be enough, to be honest. Right, what's next? I think that's basically all the prep done. That was quite easy. Let's cook burger. So now, the Big Mac, is it like that? I think it's like that, or is it like that? I think it's like that. I have no idea. We'll go with that. I also don't know if McDonald's actually butter their buns, but I'm going to because I'm not a fool. This is so dumb, by the way. I'm just realising how dumb this is. I could just buy a Big Mac, but that wouldn't be funny. Yeah, these are some chunky ass burgers. Look at that. I've also bought some cheddar cheese. I know it doesn't classically go in a Big Mac. That's why I bought this as well. But I like it, okay, and it's my thing. So I'm gonna put a bit of this in there as well. I don't know how many slices of this they use. Let's do 3. This is the ultimate Big Mac. You know you live in a small place when your bed doubles as your worktop? I think that's kind of a bit of a giveaway. Let's see how the bugger is doing. Oh wow, okay. We are getting there. Oh god. Look, it's like a little weird face. Look how happy he is. I don't know what I'm doing with my life. What am I doing? What am I doing? Right, I think we're good to go. Right, and then I think that goes there. This is served. I think cheese on another one. And then I think we do, I don't know, a little bed of lettuce. So this can be the bottom one. I'm not doing it how they actually do it. I'm not that sad. Let's do some burger sauce. I could have made my own BigMac sauce, but then I realised I just couldn't be bothered. Let's break up this onion a little bit. And then gherkins. This is going to be just a stupid burger. Honestly, I might even leave the cheddar. Look at that. That is so stupid. Oh god. Okay. Right. You really want me to eat that? Look at the state of that. That's so dumb. I'm probably going to break it into 2 burgers because I can't actually eat it like that. If I'd got thinner burgers, it would probably work, but I didn't, so it doesn't. Okay. This is just stupid. Right, let's try and get a bite of this. This is going to go really poorly. This is what I'm going to do. I'm going to get another bun, and I'm going to make 2 burgers, because I cannot do that. Right, so now we've got 2 burgers. I'll tell you what though, it's bloody good. There you go, I apologise for its eatenness. It's pretty good, to be fair. It is quite good. It's times like this where you really start to question what on earth you're doing with your life. Do you know the channel Beard Meets Food? I feel like I'm just doing that. This is ridiculous. Okay, I've just absolutely demolished that. I feel like I've just been for Christmas dinner around Lizzo's house. That's how I feel. I'm absolutely saturated. It was really nice, a lot more filling than a McDonald's Big Mac. A lot nicer, probably, I don't know if it's better for you. Probably not, I don't know. You don't eat this to be healthy, do you? You eat this because it's funny. I think now I'm going to get packed up, then we're going to go find a spot where we can chill for this evening. I can't park here overnight. I don't want to park here overnight, even if I could. It's noisy. There's just people in courses revving at 9 million RPM just because they think it's funny. So I'm going to go find a spot. There's one that I've been to quite close to here, but I might see if I can find a different spot just because I've already been there. But if all else fails, I'll go there. I'm going to get packed up and then we're going to hit the road and get out of here. I don't want to be here anymore. The good thing, of course, about being in a McDonald's car park, there are bins. Woohoo, bins! Okay, let's leave now. Look at him go. Whew. Now that is pretty good. So this is where Stan and I are for the evening. You can see it's pretty rural. There are a couple of good things about this spot and a couple of bad things. Good things are, you can see we're obviously in the middle of nowhere. We're in a big lay-by. We could be further off the road, but this road is pretty narrow and pretty quiet. This bit of road that they're driving on is no narrower than the rest of the road up there. A couple of bad things. The bridge that we came through is a bridge for the A21. You can probably hear it's quite noisy. That's fine, because in the Stan it's pretty, it really doesn't bother me too much. I also don't mind a bit of white noise anyway.
So as long as the cars aren't like blasting straight past you, I really don't mind a bit of car noise. What else is there? There's no facilities or anything. It is literally just a lay-by, but that's fine. That's what I'm after. But it's relatively pretty. I mean, it's not the most beautiful place I've ever seen in my life, but it will do. Also, you'll notice there are no trees around Stan, which is very good because there is an amber weather warning tonight, and I don't really fancy getting crushed. Jump in Stan and get settled for the evening, I think. Thank you for making it this far into the video. It's very much appreciated. I'm gonna sit back with my mega tea, watch a bit of Game of Thrones, and then I'm gonna head to bed in not too long. I've got a busy day tomorrow and I need to be up early. So I'll see you then. What am I doing with my life?
Well, good morning, team. There was a bit of a storm last night. I didn't get much sleep, I'll be quite honest. We're gonna make some coffee and then we're gonna get out of here. It's a very moody morning. Very moody indeed.